Hi, my name is Amanda Wilson and I'm here today to talk to you about why I want to be a teacher in a digital world. I'm going to cover three key topics. The first one is my motivation for becoming a teacher. The very first thing I feel like I really need to explain to everybody is that I need to feel like I'm working in an environment that's challenging and is flexible and is constantly changing. In order for me to be a good teacher, I feel as though I need to push myself and learn new skills in order to be the best teacher I can possibly be. So for me, I do need to feel challenged in the environment I work in. I get so much satisfaction out of seeing children achieve something, whether it's something that they've aimed to achieve or whether it's something that they had no idea that they were capable of. Seeing their little expressions and their satisfaction in themselves in itself is the most pleasant and rewarding experience. So yes, I need to be challenged. I want a stimulating environment, but I also want to see students get a lot out of what I'm able to teach and coach and support them in, so that they're getting something out of the learning too. So it's really a two-way street, and that really explains why I'm motivated about being a teacher. The second topic I want to talk about is why I've chosen primary as my phase of learning over other phases of learning. For me, I want to provide a classroom that allows students to develop their existing skills and aptitudes, but also provide an engaging environment full of digital technology. Choosing primary school is going to allow me to have a range of different technology options in the classroom, and students are at that age where they start to grasp new skills and concepts around computers quite willingly and openly. Learning never stops, and so for me, this phase of learning is really, really important, as it is going to teach them the foundations for the rest of their life. They're at an age where they're still really willing to learn and they're still really motivated, and they're going to ask you numerous questions and challenge you in different areas. So it's going to be a fun and engaging age range to teach. It also allows for a broad range of ages to teach in primary, so I'm going to be constantly challenged. The third and the last topic that I'm here to discuss today is how the digital world we live in today will influence the type of teacher that I hope to personally become. In order to provide students with the best possible learning experience is to create one that is hands-on, exciting and fun, while still addressing the desired learning outcomes. Now, looking at two different modes of learning in terms of technology, we could look at discovery learning and inquiry learning. Jennifer Howe, dated 2012, states that discovery learning and inquiry learning provide for many opportunities for students to innovate with technology, which in this day and age we need to do so we're not left behind. We want to experiment with technology. We want to set goals. So we need to, with the innovation, we need to have an endpoint that the student needs to work towards. We need to talk about understanding failures and achieving success. Now, these are really, really good ways for students to get a really good grasp on technology and to get their head around it. I feel like I'm going to be an amazing asset as a teacher. I'm going to create a stimulating and rewarding environment using these technologies, and I'm going to make sure I remain up to date with every type of technology that I possibly can to create the best environment for my students.
There's a longing in the sound, there is more.